Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I decided to do a little bit of a different video today. I am going to be making crab cakes, but I am making them with my dad. So I'm teaching him how to cook, and well, at least I'm teaching him how to make crab cakes. So I thought I would film it for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell button so you can see my post, and follow me on Instagram. I have it linked down below, and thank you guys for watching. I put egg in there. One egg.
One?
Yep. This is for the crab cake mix. One egg. And I mix the egg. Mayo.
In the egg?
Yep. I whisk the egg and then I add mayo. I did 4 spoons of mayo so far. And some mustard. I only add like 2 tablespoons of mustard. And then Old Bay.
Oh, babe.
This is a
Put that issue on everything.
I put that Old Bay on everything.
G&M going out of business. They going out of business. I ain't gonna be buying no more. I'm telling you.
I also add some cayenne pepper to mine. I like a little spice.
Absolutely.
And some parsley. Probably about 2 tablespoons of that parsley.
Some basil leaves. Thought I had parsley up there too. I don't know.
It looks like that. Word. I only do a little bit because you're just gonna add a little to your crab cakes. Not crab meat. What is this? Probably have 2 crab meats, but I like to drain the water out. Put the crab meat in there.
You want to drink it?
In a bowl.
Or you want me to do it? On my 21st, I did what? 3 shots of 1800. Nearly died.
Yes, you nearly died for 3.
Well, it was okay. 2 on my birthday, and 2 on. Yeah, 2 on my birthday.
Old
and then 2
Bay
the next
to
day.
the
So 2
crab
on Saturday
meat.
and 1 on Sunday.
Season the crab meat. You know?
Put that ish on everything.
Put it on everything.
Close. I don't do alcohol. It's not my thing.
And just add some of the base. Well, I add it a little at a time. That way it doesn't get too wet.
Yeah. But I had a sleepover with like all my friends, and I wasn't trying to look like a punk because everybody was taking shots. I didn't want to look like a punk, so
I ain't want to like no punk. I bet you didn't want to
look
like no
a
punk.
punk, so I drank a lot.
Remember those days though?
Yep.
No, because this time I came downstairs with it, and I was just like, I don't want to do it. But then he gave them to my friends, and then I was just like,
Well, now I gotta do it.
yeah, because everybody else was doing it. So I was like,
I ain't punking out.
Exactly.
My birthday.
So this is a good mix. See?
Yep.
It's in there, the mix, but it's not too wet, so you can still form it. Crumbs. And I add some in there. So I only add.
We're gonna take care of it.
I only add a little bit of breadcrumbs because I don't want it to have all that filling in there.
Yeah, talking that shit right.
So I like to pick it up, see if I can form a ball. So see, we got a nice ball.
Love it to death.
And we just have them all rolled out, and then we're gonna put them in the oven.
Top. Just like I gotta throw some strawberries
Just
in.
make sure you spray your pan, but I just put a little bit of olive oil on there. That way it don't get sticky. Put it in the oven.
Egg, beat it up.
Yep.
Mustard, mayo, mix it up.
Old
Bay, mix it up. Get it nice
And
and
she was
Right.
and then get my
Crab meat and
drain my crab meat.
Yep.
And then stick it in the thing, the bowl, and I'm mix it in. And I start to mix it up.
Sorry, I guess we lost
And
connection.
then just like toss your hands like that. That way you're not like breaking up the crab meat.
And then pour some on there.
Yeah, I guess we lost
Season
connection.
And here is the finished product.